Come on, good evening. Good evening, children, lovely children. Hello, Joel, Ronak. Hello, everyone. How are you all? Yeah, study passion. Oh, yes, it is live. It is live. Yes, Ronak. Hello, Weber. Durbashini Sahu. Hi, good evening, all of you. I hope I am audible and visible to all. Yes? Am I audible and visible to all? Oh, and my cousin structure was crystal clear to me. Seriously, you are a great teacher. Thank you, Ronak, for such a wonderful comment. Okay, wonderful, wonderful, great. Hi, Dipanshi. Dipanshi, I had sent a Google Meet link to you, and but since I was not having my phone, your phone number, I could not call you. You please check your mail after this session so that we can meet after the session. The link is there. Okay. Right. So we are starting with the properties of integers for grade 5, 6, 7. Yes, welcome, my dear all. So for all those who are new, let me introduce myself. I'm Reenu, Vedantu Master Teacher. Yeah. Come on, welcome all of you. Let's start. So let us recap the properties fast. Yeah, no, it's not menti, children. It's not menti. Closure property, the property states that any operation performed on integers will result in an integer. That is the closure. Closure means close. Hello, Yash. Hello, Yash. Commutative law of addition. All of you know that a plus b is equal to b plus a. Associative property holds good for both addition and multiplication. Yes. Next, but for division subtraction, it is not. Then distributive law, it is a into b plus c. Then you can multiply a into b plus b, a into c. See here, a into b plus c will give you first multiply a with b, then multiply a with c and with the plus sign. Existence of additive identity for any integer a, we have a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a. For multiplicative identity, a into 1 is equal to 1 into a. 0 is the additive identity and 1 is the multiplicative identity. Identity means पहचान. अगर हमें वही का वही नंबर मिल रहा है तो ऐसा कौन सा इंटीजर है जिसको ऐड करके सेम मिलता है? दैट इज 0. ऐसा कौन सा इंटीजर है जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करने से सेम इंटीजर मिलता है? दैट इज a. Into 1 is equal to 1 into a, that is 1. Additive inverse. Additive inverse is with opposite sign. If I write minus 7, so additive inverse is plus 7. If I write plus 5, then additive inverse is minus 5. Existence of multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse is the reciprocal. If I write 7, its multiplicative inverse is 1 by 7. Now let's start question number 1. No, this is not Menti. This is a normal YouTube session. Yes, Menti, we come up with the science sessions only. Okay. Hello, Navya. So if that, children, in this you will find, you call me, कि like, ma'am, admission कैसे लेना है? You, in this, you will find the Google form which you have to fill. जो YouTube का description होता है उसमें Google form का link होता है. Every time you will find a link if you go to the description. So you will find a link over there. You click on that. Come on. Can you, all of you, see where is the link? Can you see in description? The link is there. Click on link and fill the form to know more in the description. Is that clear? And then somebody from the team will call you back. So answer is, children are telling, is option B. And yes, it is option B. How? M is minus 6. Right. Minus and minus and then minus 4, right? So this minus is for this minus, then this will be substituted as minus 4. So minus 6 minus minus becomes plus 4, minus 6 minus 4 and it becomes minus 10, right? Now next question, very good. Code master, wonderful, amazing. The additive inverse, Ronak Sharma, you are in which batch of VOS now? Ronak, you are in which batch of VOS now? Yes, the additive inverse, it would be great that when you log in for the YouTube session, you write your correct name with your grade. So I won't have to ask in the class. If you're not in any of the batch, you must join, Ronak. Yes, अगर आप regular रहना चाहते हो. Yes. the additive inverse of the sum of integers. First you add these integers, minus 9853 plus minus 3187. Add them, and then what is the additive inverse of these two integers? Navya, Anjali, Yash all say option D. Yes, it is option D because first they will be added with the negative sign. Both are negative. When you add them, you get 6 and 8, 14, 1, 10, 1, 13, right? But it is of negative. So since it is of negative, its additive inverse will be plus 13040. Hence option D. Very good, JJ. Next. So this is done. Question number 3. सबने नोट करना है कि लास्ट तक आपके कितने क्वेश्चंस ठीक होते हैं. Subscribe VOS, and if you really want to join, fill the Google form or you write a mail to me on reenumrt68 at the rate of gmail.com that ma'am I want to join. Give me your city, state, class and your phone number. With these many details, you write a mail to me on Reenu MRT. Option D, you are right. Very good. 1 is the smallest positive integer, but dash is the largest negative integer, minus 1. क्योंकि negatives की उल्टी गिनती होती है. Yes, very good. Wonderful. बहुत अच्छा question था जिन्होंने सही आंसर किया. It's really great. If the dividend and the divisor have opposite signs, then the quotient will be negative. If the dividend and the divisor have opposite signs, then the quotient will be negative. If the product of two terms is negative, now if the dividend and divisor have opposite signs, then the coefficient will be negative. You have to write correct. If the product of two terms is negative, then both terms are of opposite sign. If the addends are of the same sign, the sign of the sum is same as the sign of the addends, or all of these. Very good, Ronak. Very good, Ronak. Why don't you join the regular classes? Option, yeah, which, no, select the correct statement. This answer is wrong. Only C is correct. Only C is correct. This is by mistake. This is the typist error. Option C is correct. If the dividend divisor have opposite sign, quotient will be negative. Sorry, wait, this is right. 1 is positive, 1 is negative, right? It is plus 25 and minus 5. Answer will be minus 5. It is right. Product of two terms is negative, then sorry, I am so sorry, it is correct. If the product of two terms is negative, one is minus 5 into plus 4, then the product will be minus 20. And product is negative, that means these two are with the opposite sign, right? And then he comes, if the addends are of the same sign, then the sum of their sum will have the sign of the addends. If it is minus 4 minus 5, it will be minus 9. If it is 4 plus 5, it will be 9. So all options are correct. All are correct, right? Yes. Next question. Select the correct option. All the above statements are correct. For example, minus 6 divided by 3. All the above statements are correct. So, this is the example which has been explained. Now, which of the following option shows distributive property of multiplication over addition? Yes, you can. Which of the following option shows distributive property of multiplication over addition? When you fill the form side by side, give me the details on the mail also so that I can get it proceeded fast. Already you have missed like 10 days classes. Which of the following option shows distributive property of multiplication over addition? 4 into, which is the distributive property on addition? Come on. Yes. If you remember the, yes, you are, who is saying yes, yes, come on. Multiplication over addition, distributive property. Option B is correct, children. It is A into B plus C. It will give you first A into B plus then A into C. A into B plus A into C. Right? Next. Come on, next. Now have you understood? Zero is the dash identity. आप अपना अपना नोट करोगे किसके कितने ऑप्शंस ठीक करेक्ट हुए. Zero is the identity. Do not drop down. Come on, come. Let us complete it. Zero is the identity for whole numbers, whereas one is the dash identity for whole numbers. These are all good questions for your IMO. Zero is the dash identity for whole numbers, and whereas one is the dash identity for whole numbers. Yes, you are right, children. It's option A. Zero is additive and one is multiplicative. Very much right. Next, minus 8 into minus 3 into minus 4 is not equal to minus 8 into minus 3 into minus 4 is not equal to. See, it is the associative property of multiplication. So, minus 8 into minus 3 into minus 4, correct. Minus 8 into minus 4 ब्रैकेट में ले लिया एंड माइनस 3 बाहर ले लिया, दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. minus 3 into minus 8 into minus 4 is correct. minus 8 into minus 3 subtract हुआ, yes, option D. Option D. This is wrong because here this minus sign has come. So all of you are right. Option D is not, it is wrong. So it is not equal to. Yes, Disha, you have a doubt? You can write a mail to me, those who have a doubt. Oh, doesn't matter, doesn't matter. Hello, Nishan. Okay, okay, doesn't matter, doesn't matter. All those who want to join VOS classes, fill the Google form, but side by side, write a mail to me on reenumrt68@gmail.com with your name and phone number so that I get your process fast. And we have classes all from grade 5 to grade 12 of various Olympiads, JEE, NEET, NTSC, everything. Okay, minus 25 into 6 plus 4 is not same as minus 25 into 10, correct. Minus 25 into 6 plus minus 25 into 4, minus 25 into 6 into 4, or minus 250. Which option? Very good. This is wrong and this is correct. C option. Wonderful. Amazing. This is correct. Now, minus 35 into 107 is not same as. अगर हमने इसको breakup करना है distributive property, we can write it as 100 plus 7. So minus 35 into 100 plus 7 or minus 35 into 7 plus minus 35 into 100. Minus 35 into, yes, minus 35 common लेकर into, yes, 7 plus 100. It should be a bracket. Minus 35, minus 30, minus 5 into 107. Yes. Minus 30 into minus, which step is wrong? Come on. Yes. Very true. Option C is correct. See, this is 30, 107 ka breakup. This is distributive property. This is 35 ka breakup. This is wrong. Minus 35 into 7 plus minus 35 into 100 hoga, not only 100. Hello Naishita, hello. Oh sorry, I forget. Hello Ruchi's World. Ruchi is new, Code Master is new. All those children who are new and they are serious about the studies, they really want to grow no matter in whichever class is there. Children, आप ये बताइए जमाने में वैसे फ्री क्या मिलता है? Although Vedantu classes are almost free, but still you tell me we are spending so much on technology. What is zero cost you get in the market? Although it is very negligibly free, but फिर भी आपको इतना डरना नहीं चाहिए फीस से. जब आपको ओलंपियाड्स के लिए पढ़ना है, कोई पढ़ाने वाला मिल रहा है, so there is nothing like that. Although the classes are only in 499 till August and then again some very much little amount उसके आगे. Okay. So Vedantu is teaching you so many things extra कि आप regular course किसी का भी लीजिए. You take Baiju, you take an academy, you take Feds, you take Akash, you take anything. Nobody plans extra teaching you कि like आपको धीरे धीरे स्कूल से ले जाकर extra कैसे सिखा सकते हैं. Okay. Right. So now the value of minus 27 into Arvind, I can't get what are you trying to say? minus 27 into minus, it is, the course is only in 499 phase 1 till August end, and then those children who will do well again for the same price, they will be in phase 2, right? So value of minus 27 into minus 16 plus minus 27 into minus 14 is equal to what? You don't have to multiply. Let me tell you, take minus 27 common. What is left? Minus 16 plus minus 14, right? Now minus 27 into minus 16 minus 14. That is minus 27 into 6 and 4, 10, 1, 2 and 1, 3 minus 30. And now it becomes so simple. 27 3s are 81, 10. So what is the answer? Option C is correct, definitely. Dipanshi, soon join after the class, as after that I will not be having time. So immediately join on that link which I had sent you. Right. Anybody wants to meet me, they can send me their email that, ma'am, we want to have one-to-one session, and also write down, you have one-to-one session, and also please write down like which batch you want and your phone number so that we contact you. अब आज दीपांशी का phone number नहीं था, Google में link create किया, time नहीं spare किया, but she did not check the mail. What will be the sign of the product? तो अगर आप फोन नंबर भेजोगे तो हम आपको फोन करके बता सकते हैं. 2 more questions, do not leave the session. What will be the sign of the product if we multiply 90 negative integers and 9 positive integers? What will be the sign of the product if we multiply 90 negative and 9 positive? 90 negative, 9 positive. 90 negative and 9 positive. So the answer will be positive, because हमें negative से तो concern ही नहीं है, हमें even number से concern है. A divided by B divided by C is not equal to A divided by, last question of the day, unless C is equal to. Yes, the answer is 1. Unless C is equal to 1, it will not be equal, and that is great. Thank you. So how many of you got maximum correct? Yes, there were 12 questions. Anybody who got 12 on 12 correct? Thank you so much, children. Anybody who got 12 on 12 correct? Anyone? Yes? Anyone who got 12 on 12 correct? Oh, wow, wow, wow. Great, great. Thank you, children. So